How to link your Xbox account with Steam on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to link your Xbox account with Steam fast and easy. First, go to Xbox and then click here on your profile, click on it, and now just click here, this one, click on it, and then just click this one, click on it, and then type your name, your Steam username and your password, and then just sign in, and it will be done. And that's it for today's video. And if you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.